Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your audio here in OBS Studio. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we are in OBS Studio, and to edit it it's pretty simple. So here you have scenes, sources, and your audio mixer, which is going to be the most important, and you can actually scroll that right here and wherever you want to place it. So I want to just place it right here, so I have an individual screen for my audio mixer. So I just want to move this aside for now. So to actually edit your audio here, there's only simple things you can do. So there's only advanced audio properties and such. And as you can see, I am speaking right now, and if I decrease this, it will decrease also. So if I put it up here, it's gonna show the maximum I can go. So if I go mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2, as you can see, I am speaking clearly, and I can reduce that to a level that I can only hear, or only a minimal audio that I want my audience to hear. So there's also the Mac OS screen capture, which I'm using right now. So here, you want to actually go here to your advanced audio properties, and this is where you can actually edit it. So you want 5 tracks to 6 tracks if you want so. So you can also monitor your audio, so you can toggle this on right here. And as you can see, it's echoing. And if I off it, it's okay now. So there's also sync offset to offset your audio from the original clip. So if you want balance, you can also do so, and you can even actively increase your audio decibels right here. So there you go guys, that is how you edit your audio here in OBS Studio. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.